Hi, I'm Ron. Water features can provide a tranquil oasis. Here are a few things you can do to keep your water feature looking great year-round. Believe it or not, well-balanced ponds don't require a lot of maintenance. With the exception of some seasonal maintenance, all you really need to worry about is tossing a little beneficial bacteria into your pond and cleaning out your skimmer net once every week or two. Preformed or container water gardens may require more frequent bacteria or chemical treatments. There are a host of treatment products for water features, from algae reducers to foam removers. Ask your installer which products they recommend. If you don't have an autofill system, water will need to be added every week to make up for evaporation. All pumps will need to be periodically checked to make sure they're properly working. Skimmers, screens, and filter mats will need to be cleaned. As winter approaches, you may want to hire a professional and drain and winterize your ponds. You may want to keep your water feature running year-round. You'll probably need to install a de-icer or a bubbler. As you can see, with a little bit of maintenance, your water feature can look great all year round.